What's this? What's this? Is it pimples? Hi, lovely people. Hi, people. Wonderful people. Are we winning? Are you winning? We don't have any other options but to win. So if you are not winning, you just have to make up your mind to start winning. Yes, quickly, I want to talk about money. What do you understand by money? Are you still the one that still believe money has to do with the paper? Are you still the one that still believe that when we talk about money, we're talking about the finance, the currency? If you are, then I'm here to change your mindset. And when we're talking about mindset, what are we talking about? We're talking about the way all of us are formed. Yes, we are all born into this world tabula rasa without knowing anything, without anything in our mind. But our socialization process, the family that we're born to, shape you and shape me. And some of us, the families that we're born to, did not help us because they shape us to believe, to struggle to get everything. And without money, you cannot do anything. But I'm here to tell you, yes, you. Yes, I mean you that is watching this video right now, that money is a spirit. Yes, money is a feeling. It's not finance, it's not currency. Currency is a means of exchange. But when we're talking about money as a money, is your state of mind, the way you feel. Because money is a spirit. And who are you? I know many people, when you ask them this question, they cannot reply. Or they'll tell you another different thing. But I'm here to tell you that man is a spirit who has a soul and lives in the body. I hope you get that right. Rewind this video or take it back to get what I said. So now you are a spirit. Money is a spirit. Money has a frequency. You too have a frequency. Get that? So when you want to have money all the time, or the spirit of money with you all the time, what are you supposed to do? You tune to the frequency of money. You tune your own spirit because you are a spirit. You tune it to the frequency of money. Then you can live in abundance all the time because you're born into abundance. I am born into abundance. That is the secret to tune to the right frequency. Tune your spirit to the right frequency, to money frequency, and you will always be in abundance. Because you and I were born into abundance, and we need to stay in the place that we need to be, which is abundant. Yes. So do you understand what money is now? So if you're the one chasing after the paper money, you're not doing yourself right, because you will keep chasing that paper, that finance, that currency, and you know the bad part of it, you will never have enough. So quickly, let me tell you the 7 principles of staying in wellness and wholeness. Let me give it to you, and you know what, for free. The first is the principle of money management. You need to know what is money and how to stay in that position. And 2 is what? The principle of multiplying everything that you have. And third, the principle of storing, saving, and investing wisely. Many of us eat everything that comes into our hand, but you need to know that you need to what? Store, save, and invest wisely. Then what about the fourth? The fourth one, I'll quickly tell you, and I'm going to tell you for free. Yes, for free. Is what? The principle of giving and giving radically. Many of us, when we talk about giving, you run away. You don't even want to hear it. But if you want the spirit of money to always connect to you, you have to be a giver. And not just a giver, but a radical giver. So never you feel intimidated when they say give, because it's a principle. If you want the spirit of money to always be pursuing you and stay with you. Do you understand that? Then what about the fifth? The fifth is what? Locating your source, which is God, and staying in the right environment with your source. Then I'll quickly tell you the sixth one. The sixth principle, biblical principle for financial wellness and wholeness is what? Have the spirit of contentment. You have to be content with where you are, because life no be by force, so no come kill yourself. You understand? What you have per time, stay with it, be content with it, even as you're looking up, and relinquish it very. Do you understand? Enjoy where you are and enjoy it very well. Enjoy it very high. Yes, we're talking about how to stay wealthy. Yes, the secret of staying wealthy. That is what we're talking about. We've identified six already. Now, the final one is the principle of enough. You see, many people in this world grabbing. What are you grabbing for? You need to live a life of enough. Enjoy what you have. Live a life of enough. How many rooms will you sleep on? How many bed will you sleep on? How many cars will you drive? How many clothes will you wear on this body? So when you reach a position that you can freely go to the store and buy what you want without borrowing money, without anything, abeg, enjoy your life. Tell yourself, say, this one where I don't get, I go enjoy it. And that's living a life of enough. So I've given you 7 biblical principles for financial wellness and wholeness. Rewind it if you've not heard me. But I'm going to kind of put a stop to this now. I love you guys. And remember, yes, as usual, you are unique. You are special. And you are one of a kind. And I tell myself too, I am unique. I am special. And I am one of a kind. Yes. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.